I love this song. Okay, my tutorial video turned into Jimmy Brown. I could just put, anyways. Congregation. Okay. Okay, let's get our footing right. We're gonna make sure that nothing, that I have a spot for my foot and foot. Okay. I don't know, most people probably have to climb, but yeah. Okay, now, we're right here. Okay, let's find our secure spot. What is the best place to distribute your weight and not fall? All right, you daredevils out there, let's go. Now, I'm using my shoulder in some parts to stay stable, or I use this one, like for my splits. Okay, how do you switch? All right, both ends. You have to stand up, and then we're going to go down easy. We're going to put our shoulder right there. Okay. I'm good. I'm gonna show y'all how to do something fun. Oh. All right, grab your leg and act like it's normal. Hi. Let's do it. So now, if I want to get down, I need to mark it. So I'm going by TD. Okay, well, I'm going to keep scoring. Don't know that one. Okay, now this one, I'm not feeling this is the most secure. So I'm just going to go back down, find my footing. Okay. Now, I really like to do splits here. But, so that's my kind of tutorial. This is Jimmy Brown.